Ngayon ay magsasagot naman tayo ng system of linear equations sa pamamagitan ng elimination method. Ito yung paggamit ng algebra or paghanap ng zero pair para mag-cancel natin yung variable sa pagkuha ng system of linear equation. So let's start dun sa una example, number 1. Now, mapapansin nyo, dun sa example na number 1, meron na agad tayong zero pair. At ang zero pair, yun yung parehas ang variable, parehas yung coefficient, pero magkaiba ng sign. So, kapag meron tayong zero pair, we can eliminate yung ating x variable right away. Kaya siya tinawag na elimination method. Kasi 3x minus 3x is equal to 0. At yung ating 4y minus 2y is equal to 2y. Equals 9 minus 3, which is equal to 6. So, by solving for y, we divide both sides by 2. So, y is equal to 3. So, yan yung una nating ordered pair, which is yung y value. So, by using line 1, so by habit, I always use line 1. 3x plus 4y equals 9. So, in this case, si y ay magiging 3. So, I'll have 3x plus 4 times 3, and by solving for x, we'll have 3x plus 4 times 3, which is 12, equals 9. And by doing so, subtract natin si 12 on both sides, and this cancels out, and we are left with 3x equals 9 minus 12, I equal to 3. So by or negative 3. So by dividing both sides by 3, ang x coordinate natin ay equal to negative 1. So ang solution ng ating linear system ay negative 1 and 3. So yan yung pagsagot ng problem number 1 na meron agad zero pair. Now, doon sa problem number 2 or number 3, kasi odd number yung mga pinapakita ko sa mga examples ko, meron tayong at so mapapansin nyo, yung ating x ay hindi zero pair kasi kapag in-add natin siya, it will equal to 2x. So, ang common mistake ng mga students is to get rid of x right away kasi akala nila parehas agad sila. Or makakancel yung parehas na coefficient. So, ang una natin gagawin ay i-modify natin yung bottom line or yung line 2 by multiplying it by negative 1. So, by the distributive property, so magiging negative 14 ito, negative 4, at ito ay negative x. So, ang ating bagong linear system would be negative x minus 4y equals negative 14. So, since na-modify na natin yung line 2, meron na tayo ngayong zero pair na we can cancel kasi x minus x is 0. And by adding the other two terms, meron tayong 3 minus 4y, which is negative y. And 11 minus 14 is equal to negative 2. Oh, negative 3. So, negative 3, magiging positive siya kasi by dividing both sides by negative 1, we'll have y equals 3. So, ito yung solution ng ating first ordered pair. At yung second ordered pair, using line 1, we will replace y by 3. So, meron tayong x plus 9 equals 11. And by solving for x, (11 minus 9) is equal to 2. So, ang solution natin ay 2, 3. At yan yung answer natin sa pangalawang example. Now, dun sa pangatlong example, Now, mapapansin nyo, meron agad tayong zero pair dito sa ating example kasi 7 minus 7 is 0. At mapapansin nyo rin na yung negative y plus y ay 0 din. So, yung right-hand side natin ay equal to 0. At yung ating pangalawang, yung ating last term is 6 minus 6 ay equal to 0 din. Kapag ka ang ating right side or left side ay equal sa ating right side, ang ating linear system ay tinatawag na, or ang solution ng ating linear system would be so we have infinitely many solutions kasi yung line 1 natin ay parehas lang sa line 2. So, to prove na yung line 1 ay parehas sa line 2, yung ating line 1 na 7x minus y equals 6, kapag change natin siya sa y equals mx plus b by subtracting 7x on both sides, at by changing this into a positive line by multiplying all the terms with negative 1, we'll have y equals 7x minus 6. So, yan yung ating line 1. At yung line 2 naman natin, which is negative 7x plus y equals negative 6, kapag sinolve natin yung system or change natin siya sa slope-intercept form by subtracting or by adding 7x on both sides, kasi we need to have y by itself, we'll have y equals 7x minus 6. So, mapapansin nyo na si line 1 ay parehas lang sa line 2, kaya infinitely many solution yung ating pangatlong example. At kung may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ito, please subscribe and like and share my video para mas marami pa akong maturuang students na kagaya nyo. Thank you.